Hello guys, welcome back in this tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you another base faucet website. You can claim your free Solana from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. First of all, go to deposit, copy your Solana wallet address from here and come in this website. Just paste your Solana wallet address in here, and after that just come down and click login. Okay, after login, so you can see it's login like your wallet address, and just click continue to solve this capture. First of all, solve this capture is too easy to solving, but if you wrong with the solving this capture, it didn't pay you any satoshi. Just click verify, and you can see this website send me my satoshi instantly to my faucetpay, and this is a lot of people making amount. Okay, I go to my faucetpay to show you the withdrawal proof of this website. To this website pay me or not. In here you can see this website pay me instantly to my faucetpay. Thanks for watching guys. This website link available in description, and bye bye for now.